What's up, everybody? Good morning on this Monday, but every day seems like it's the same when you are a small business owner and you work every day anyway, so nothing really has changed much these past few weeks, but I wanted to show you guys again how to wash your Swarovski tumblers. I've got two kinds in here. I've got an acrylic one and I have a metal one. The process is the same. You need two things: hot water and soap. Oh, actually three things. And a scrubby. Like a scrub, it's like a brush. That's it. It's super easy. Hot water, and just wash your dishes, y'all. This has been in here probably, I don't know, 5 or so minutes and scald. It's pretty hot water. Like I had to let it rest because it's pretty hot. Don't soak them. They don't need to be soaked, but you need to scrub them. This is going to get your, your hand oil and germs in it as you use it throughout the day. Just give it a good scrub. Don't be scared. The stones are not going to fall off. Now, if they get hit or, banged on something, that's why there's nothing else in here. You want to treat these like jewelry because they are jewelry. And then once you've done your scrubbing inside and out, then you can rinse off. Super easy. Ow, and that's really hot. Stop burning yourself. Okay, much better. Just give it a rinse off. Towel dry it, or let it just sit to dry. It's totally fine. Totally fine. Let's see if it'll focus up a little bit. It's pretty hard to capture this mix. It's pretty incredible if I don't say so myself. And we'll be having some new mixes coming up here in just a few days. So check it out. And that is how you wash your acrylic tumbler. Where did the lid go? Oh, still in here. Let's put this guy aside. So the lid, same way. Just give it a scrub. I don't think this, yeah, this topper does come out, but this has never been used, so I'm just going to give it a rinse. But you guys can take out your gaskets if you can on these types. I would definitely recommend always taking out the gaskets, giving it a scrub. This is getting sent out today because we sold it on eBay to raise money for the Gary Sinise Foundation, the Emergency COVID-19 Combat Service. So that raised, this one I think raised $250, and then this one raised $550, I believe. Yes, so that was pretty awesome. So yeah, just give them a good wash. Come on, focus. Maybe. There she goes. So yeah, even these big pieces, they're all still there. When it's glued properly and prepped properly and then glued properly, they're not going anywhere. And here's a look on the inside. The glue is not turning back white. This was just the fusion tack, very similar to gem tack. That's good stuff. Oh, and then I dropped it, and look, nothing happened. It's fine. So give it a good rinse. And that is it, guys. No special. You just can't put them in your dishwasher because of the seal. They have a certain seal on them that is not, it can't go through the dishwasher. I don't know whatever the science of that. And do not microwave. So, just pay attention to what your cups actually say. So here's the acrylic one. We'll put that one aside to dry. And then now here's the metal one. This is a swell bottle, a 17 ounce swell bottle, pardon me. And the same thing. Nice hot soapy water. Give it a good scrub. And that's it. This one was never used, but I'm still giving it a nice good wash and some super hot water because it's getting mailed out today to the lucky winner, and it actually has a sport cap on it, so we upgraded them to this nice brand new cap. This has never been used. It was made for a display, for a prototype, for a larger corporate client, and sometimes that's how we do things. And then empty out all your soapy sudsy. Just give it a nice little wash. That's it, guys. It's not that difficult. Anyone can do this. All you need is those three things: hot water, dish liquid, and a scrubby brush. If you don't have a scrubby brush, I bet you have a toothbrush. Go get an old toothbrush. Use those guys. Easy peasy. Get these bubbles out of here. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. And that is the day in the kitchen, washing your Swarovski or your rhinestone tumblers. Thanks, guys. Have a sparkly day.